Hello traders, I hope you had a nice holiday. Happy New Year guys, and I'm back today in trading. As you know, today is the 4th of January 2021 as the first trading day of the year and week and month. And amazingly, we had a beautiful volatility in the market, amazing analysis and beautiful pips, and most of my members and the traders bank amazing profit. And I would like to share with you all those trades, all those analysis which we managed to bank a beautiful profit. Just before that, guys, if you don't know how I trade live, there is some video link is given in the video description somewhere in the bottom, and which explain in more detail. So when you have a time, watch that video. And one more thing, I'm also offering free consultation this month. And if you would like to discuss your trading challenge with me, if I can help you with the guys, feel free to book your free one-to-one consultation. And the link is also given in somewhere in the video description. All right, so let's back to the analysis today. Let's log into the platform. Okay, as you can see, we had a best 25 analysis, all of them intraday analysis alongside with a 4-hour analysis. As you can see, most of them bank beautiful pips. Consider banking pips, considered banking pips. Right, so as you know that these are the intraday analysis. I analyze market twice a day, once in London morning session around 7:30 GMT, and another one is 2 p.m. GMT just before opening bell. And all the live analysis recording also available instantly in the recording in the training session for the members, just in case if they missed it, and also broadcast that analysis here. Then I watch those analysis. So if the opportunities is about to raise based on that current analysis, I broadcast that information instantly in the analysis section, also through live audio. So make sure that trader can take maximum benefit. Right, so let me share with you today's recording. Let me share with you today the New York session analysis so you can see what I'm talking about. So we did you can see in 4-hour in Euro USD, I explained to my trader that the possibility if the price is going to develop double top, then possibility we might going to see some short trade opportunity. Then I did analysis in intraday to basically refine our entries and exit. As you can see here, this is our intraday system, and that's what I did. And then once the price is about to break this consolidation, I broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary. And you can see here, this is what exactly the pattern, and the price when the price is about to break, I also explained to trader the opportunity is developing it. So beautiful breakout short trade. As always mentioned, after the momentum developed bearish, so another pullback short trade on Euro USD. So you can see this is the format exactly we trade every single day. So now I'm going to show with you all this analysis. So for example, let's say if it pound dollar, pound yen, we have very nice, you can see in the morning, this is 742 consolidation breakout. The price broken, retest, explained through live audio commentary, bank beautiful pips. Then at the New York session, did another analysis, breakout, and then again, broadcast that information through audio, and we taken this beautiful pip. So this is what exactly we do. Again, we analyze market in 4-hour, which I explained to trader. The price has developed a double top, possibility of reversal, and we might going to see interesting moves if the price going to break this a trend support line, which price nicely did. So this is what exactly we did. All right, so let's quickly those analysis just to show you guys. Kiwi dollar, you can see again we were watching in 4-hour, and based on that, this is the New York session analysis, by the way. So you can see price nicely broken, and after that we had another pullback short. Again, we were watching in 4-hour. Every single trade pair we watch in 4-hour, you can see here, beautiful. So we reversal after this candle 2 p.m. we can see beautiful short trade we taken. Same thing in Aussie dollar we had in the morning, which I explained, like 4-hour, I explained to my trader, double top, and then I did intraday analysis 4-hour. After that, you can see counter short trade, bank beat few pips, and the New York session and another analysis in which I explained to my trader the prices develop a double top, so we should be looking a short trade or long trade. Depends if the price gonna break this recent high or recent low, then we should be taking a trade. But technically we were expecting a short trade, which price nicely broken. As you can see, beautiful short trade on Kiwi, on Aussie dollar, which we explain here. You can see here, beautiful analysis and beautiful trade. And then we had a dollar CAD, beautiful. As you can see in this analysis, if you pay attention to it, we basically in live, we explained to my trader with the live analysis, the price developed head and shoulder pattern. And the safest trade, which I explained to my trader, look for if the price going to break the recent high, which price nicely broken, and afterwards momentum developed bullish. We explained to take all this pullback through live audio commentary. We pull back, beautiful pips. Same thing on Euro USD, you can see here, that was the analysis, bank beautiful pips. Then we had a pound Swiss franc. This was the analysis. In the New York session, we explained if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, then we should be taking another short trade, which price nicely did. Beautiful short trade, and price nicely hit to the profit target. Then we had a pound dollar. That's what, again, we mentioned this trade, that they look for this breakout, and you can see the price broken. We explained to traders, stay in this trade as long as the price stay below a previous high. So then we have another scaling trade, which I explained to my trader. We have another short trade because momentum was very bearish. Then we announced another pullback short trade. So you can see beautiful trade. So you can see all these trades. We have a gold analysis. This was the beautiful trade. You can see the price develop up channel, and we explain to trader if the price is going to break, then we take a short trade. And you can see in gold, beautiful short trade on gold. All right, guys. So dollar Swiss franc. This was, again, we mentioned a counter, and again we explained to trader if the price is going to develop a double bottom, and then we should be taking a counter long trade. As you can see, again we were watching in 4 hour. Let me share with you the 4 hour. The price was at this level, and beautiful reversal, very nice counter long trade. We had it another dollar, this one the gold trade, short trade, which we explained to trader through live audio commentary. And we had also beautiful euro pound, beautiful. You can see this was again a counter long trade. This was the 7 in the morning, and after that this breakout, afterward this pullback and another breakout. All these trades we announced through live audio commentary, and we did live analysis. So beautiful trades. So guys, you can see all these trades. In the morning we had a beautiful trades, especially in gold. You can see this was the consolidation breakout, beautiful long trade. So you can see all that analysis. We have made amazing profit, and most of the traders bank beautiful profit. So I hope you enjoy all this today's analysis. As you can see, as I explained to you, we analyze market in 4 hour and intraday and through live audio commentary. As you can see, most of the traders bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, so that's it for today. And if you would like to see all that analysis in the real time, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, feel free to book your free consultation. As I mentioned the link is given in the video description. And even if you are struggling in Forex trading, most welcome to join this platform and watch all that analysis in the real time and develop your trading skill in real time. And if you have any question, you can ask to analyst, to me, through this chat. And we also basically provide to the experienced trader audio chat. You can also basically talk to our senior trader, senior analyst, if you're having challenge, or even if you are experienced trader. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that profit every single day alongside with our professional trader. So I hope, guys, you enjoy all this video, and thank you for watching again this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. Have a nice evening and wish you all the best, guys.